today I am going out to visit a new client. You can see that I am a bit out in the country. They are a country location, a truck superstore, and you guys all know how much I love trucks, so this is going to be pretty exciting. Another thing that's really exciting is that they have never in their entire existence done digital marketing. No push whatsoever. So really excited to kind of get to know the dealership and the community around it, and really kind of develop out a country truck store type strategy. Look, the neat thing is that it's going to be unique to them, and I think that's why I wanted to shoot this video real fast, is that our strategies have to be unique to where our dealerships are. I mean, guys, look out the window. Look where I am right now. I need to take that approach. I got to know as much as I can about this community, the events within the community, the people that live in this community, the surrounding areas of the community. I really got to know that, and that needs to be embedded into every element of this dealership's marketing. Hey, thank you so much for your time, for watching. You guys have a wonderful day.